How to add upload image option in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add upload image or photo option in your Wix Studio. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account. After that you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one, you can click it and then you will be in the website dashboard. Then you can navigate to edit site here, you can click it. After that you will be in the website editor. This is my website editor, and if you want to add the button, you can just go to the left screen to click plus icon here, and then you will find a lot of elements option here. You can scroll until you find input here, and then you can see there are a lot of options. You can just click upload uh, buttons here, and then you will find two options here. I'm gonna choose this one, you can click it, and this is the button. You can, you know, put it wherever you want. So let's say I'm gonna put it in here, and then you can just click settings to customize everything here. So basically you can choose the type. So maybe you want to image and video or document or audio. So but in this video we're gonna choose image because we're gonna choose upload button for image or photo. And then for the max number you can choose whatever you want. So I'm gonna choose maybe one because this is for photo. Maybe I'm gonna choose one. And then for the required, you can choose if you want to require your user or customer to upload image. And then for the field title, you can edit it as you want, maybe profile picture or others. And then you can choose also change the button text, maybe upload media or something like that. It's up to you. And then you can choose to show file info only or show custom text. It's up to you. And for the custom text, you can choose maybe max or MB. And then you can view uploaded files, and then you can also manage visitor files after that. And beside the settings you can also customize the design, for the size and also for the responsive behavior. You can choose fixed or relative width, and it's to you. You can also choose the design, maybe regular or focus and others. And for the fill color and capacity, you can choose whatever you want here. I'm gonna leave it like that. And for the position, for the margins and others, you can customize whatever you want. So I think that's it, how to add upload image option in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.